More foresee the dark ahead if I stay.